Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Python syntax. And in order to understand the Python syntax, we are using Python IDLE. And this is the Python IDLE shell and its version is 3.10.4. As we all know, Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line. For example, if I want to print hello world, I will write print double quotes hello world. If I hit enter, it will show me whatever the message I have written within the double quotes of the print. In the same way, we will talk about Python indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Here in other programming languages, the indentation in code is for readability only. But in case of Python, it is very important because Python uses indentation to indicate a particular block of code. This can be understood by using an if statement. If 3 is greater than 2, colon, if I hit enter, it will create a proper indentation and now I can print message. For example, 3 is greater than 2. But if I don't follow the proper indentation, 3 is greater than 2, I don't follow the proper indentation and I will print the same message, 3 is greater than 2. Then it will give me a syntax error that it expecting an indented block after if statement on the line 1. Now we will talk about Python variables. Variables are created when you assign a value to it. For example, I use a value x. For example, I use x equals to 7. If I hit enter, now this 7 value is assigned to variable x. If I print this variable x, print x, it will show me the value 7. I can change anytime this value of x. For example, if I want to change the value of x equal to 7 to x equals to 19. Now I will print the value of x. It will show me the value 19. I can also assign a string to it. For example, y equals to hello. If I print y, it will print hello. In the same manner, I can also change the value of y at any time. Hello world. Now I will print the value of y. It will give me the output to be hello world.